Hey guys, we're at the Mr. Big. So it's a 4x2 with a theatre and it's also got a workshop section. This is sitting on a 550 square block. So minimum you need is 15-metre wide frontage and 30 deep. This one's a bit of a corner block, which we'll go through. It's 17.5 wide and 32 deep. So come on through. First off, nice feature front door, wide hallways, which is what we're all about, and the start of the minor bedroom. So minor beds are at the front with this design. So we'll go into bed 2. All the minor beds have a built-in robe and they will fit a queen bed in them as well. So then now into bed 3. It's got some awning windows. So quick one, you will see an extra window here. This is because it's on a corner block. This is something that does need to be done. Any bedroom that is on a corner does need to address the secondary street. So come through your spare toilet and then into the spare bathroom. So a little bit different, we've actually bricked the entire wall there, and then you go through into the spare. So they've upgraded the bathtub, that's the inset, so that it does fit a full-size adult, and we've done the extended mirrors and the recessed cabinetry. So the clients really took on all those recommendations we recommend for the spare bathroom. And now bed 4, same thing, got a built-in robe. So we'll come through and we'll go into the garage. So the garage is a 2-car garage with a little extension for the workshop. So initially it had a study here and we just squared it out. So we pushed it all the way to the boundary, raised the ceilings for forward drive access. So this gives you about 8.5 meters now. So quite a nice space. And we've done a roller door so you've got access out the back as well. So we'll keep going through. You've got your spare linen / storage in here. As you can see, just some nice full shelving, and then you got your master. So your master is quite large. This will fit a king or a super king in here, and then your walk-in robe. So we removed all of the shelving and rail because the clients are doing their own full wardrobe setup. Now into the ensuite, nice and standard with a few tweaks. So we've once again increased the ceiling, the wall height, twin shower. Then they've also created a ledge there. Into your twin basins, you'll see lovely Julia, and then into the spare toilet. Come on through. Swear to God, I sound puffed out of half these houses. They're too fucking big. And into the kitchen. So something really cool. This client has chosen some profiled cabinet doors. Really makes a big difference. So massive, this is a 1200 island. So this is a wider than standard. Really cool. You've got the shaker profiles on all the cabinets in this area. They've changed to a different style with the wood grain here. 900 appliances are standard. They've also increased the tiling, which is normally just to the range hood. They follow the same height all the way through. And then we walk into the walk-in pantry. So this one doesn't have a scullery, it's just the pantry, and then into your laundry. We'll go out. We also, the theatre is meant to be over here. So the theatre is there. We've just simply removed the door, the wall and the door. So now it's a massive open plan entertainment area and living area. You can change this however you like. So have your living here, then your dining, and then a separate activity section there, whatever you like. Or if you're big on entertaining, really cool. We've also extended the alfresco. So the alfresco is basically meant to be just here in the middle. We've widened it the entire width of the house. So from the left all the way to the right, it's about 13, nearly 14 meters wide. So it's very wide. And we've changed, this is probably one of the first homes we've done, concrete. So a little bit more expensive. The price is the same from pavers to concrete, but you got to add the extra concrete pump to pour it. However, the clients have decided that they might do a few different changes to this, so we've done some concrete in for the back. Really cool with the raised ceilings as well. You still got over 5.5, nearly 7 meters because of that extra 2 meter depth, and then the width wise as well. So clients get to absorb quite a bit more into it as well, mainly because of that corner section, but you do have over 2.5 meters down the side as well. So 2.5 meters plus your standard 1.5, which gives a 4 meter side access. Really cool to see how it all looks. Once we get the fencing in, it will give you a bit more of an indication. But we can do these. Minimum is a 450 square block, but obviously if you get some larger lots, it really gives that better quality of life. If you want kids, pools, etc., these type of size blocks, we can do a house loan package. Just let us know.